How to earn money with Capital One shopping app. While the Capital One shopping app won't directly earn you cash, it can help you save money on online purchases, which can free up extra cash in your budget. And here's how you can fake it. So firstly, you can find deals and coupon. The app automatically searches for deals and coupons from various retailers when you shop online. It can present this option to you before you check out, potentially saving you money on your purchase. If not, you can just search for Capital One coupons or deals online as well. Next is to compare prices. Capital One Shopping compares price across different retailers for the same item. This helps to ensure you are getting the best deal available online. Next is to earn Capital One Shopping credit. For certain purchases made through the app, partner retailers, you can earn Capital One Shopping credit. These credits are not actually cash, but they accumulate in your account and can be redeemed for gift card at various stores. By this way, you'll be able to earn money as well as some of the rewards using your Capital One shopping app. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.